Blood vessels control the blue carry deoxygenated oxygen poor blood. Red carry oxygenated oxygen-rich blood. Large arteries carry blood away from the heart and the branch into the smaller and smaller arteries thus open into capillaries. The smallest blood vessel where the material are exchanged into intestinal fluid. Capillaries open into a small vein that merge from the larger and larger vein. Largest vein return blood into the heart. The heart, myocardium, thick layer of cardiac muscle tissue. When it contracts, it provides the force that pumps the blood through the heart vessel. Epicardium contains the blood vessel that nourishes the heart. Atria is the two upper chamber, receive blood being returned to the heart by the vein, and ventricle is the two lower chamber, pump the blood in the artery. Notice the direction of the arrow. Left ventricle pushes the blood to the whole body except the lung. Thicker muscle needed. Left ventricle pushes the blood to the whole body except the lungs. Thicker muscle needed. The right ventricle pushes the blood to the lungs. Thicker muscle needed. The valve allows blood flow to go only. The love first sound is AV valve, enteroventricular valve. Dub sound, second sound, semilunar valve. Valve prevent the blood flow. So the blood is coming from superior and inferior vena cava. It goes in the right atrium and then right ventricle and then pulmonary artery and then into the lungs, come back in the left atrium and then left ventricle, and from that it goes in the aorta and then it goes in the whole body. The lungs do the work to oxygenate blood, and the simple diffusion is play a vital role in the heart function. Right atrium receives the deoxygenated blood from the superior and inferior vena cava and the coronary sinus. Pass this blood through the tricuspid valve to the right ventricle. Right ventricle receives the deoxygenated blood from the right atrium and pump this blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary lungs. Left atrium receives the oxygenated blood from the pulmonary vein and passes this blood through the mitral valve and left ventricle. Left ventricle received oxygenated blood from the left atrium and pump this blood through the aortic valve into the aorta. Blood flow. Blood from the lungs is oxygenated. Blood becomes deoxygenated as it relates oxygen to the body tissue. So what the blood provides oxygen into the tissues and is become deoxygenated. Simple diffusion takes place here. The right atrium receives the deoxygenated blood. Three veins is right atrium receives the blood from the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and coronary sinus. The superior is the upper body region, inferior is the lower body region, and coronary sinus. The blood comes from the heart. The left atrium receives the oxygenated blood from the lungs via pulmonary vein. Body exchange lung. The second, blood flow from the left atrium into a left ventricle plus the right atrium into a right ventricle. Ventricle contract to allow the right ventricle to pump the oxygenated blood into a pulmonary artery. Left ventricle pumps the oxygenated blood from the lung into the aorta. As I say, now pulmonary circuit is deoxygenated blood. Right ventricle, lungs. Pulmonary circuit is all about the lung. So left atrium, right ventricle, lungs, get into the lungs, oxygenated blood from the lung, and left atrium. Now system is just think about the whole system, body system. So it covers the whole system, the body system, but not the lungs. That's all. And it covers the Oxygenated blood from the left ventricle, whole body except lung, and deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. Coronary artery is a blood supply. Systolic is the contraction of the heart, and diastolic is the relaxation of the heart. Heart sound is the heart valve. The lobe sound. The lobe, as we seen earlier, interventricular valve, and dove sound is a semilinear valve. Well, it is AV valve and the semilinear valve, the second lobe sound. If any of the heart valve are defective and do not close properly, then additional sound is called a heart murmur. So when they hear the heart murmur, then they will figure it out there is something going on in the heart valves. They are not working properly. That means it creates a heart murmur. Tricuspid valve opening between the right atrium and right ventricle prevent the blood flow of the blood from the right ventricle into the right atrium. Mitral valve opening between the left atrium and left ventricle prevent the backflow of the blood from the left ventricle into the atrium. And seminilar valve is the pulmonary valve and aortic valve entrance to the pulmonary trunk, entrance to the aorta, prevent the backflow of the blood from the pulmonary trunk into the right ventricle and prevent the backflow from blood to aorta into the left ventricle. So that is all, and thank you.